In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold single words in Canva. This is a simple technique that makes a big difference when you want certain words to stand out in a headline, a caption, or a paragraph. By the end, you'll know exactly how to highlight a single word without changing the rest of your text. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on the screen, look for the text element that contains the word you want to emphasize. Click the text box to activate it. You'll know it's active when you see a blinking cursor inside the text, and the text toolbar appears at the top of the screen. If you only see the bounding box around your text but no cursor, click once more directly inside the text to enter editing mode. Next, highlight the specific word you want to bold. Click just before the first letter of the word, hold your mouse button, and drag across to the end of the word. Release your mouse when only that word is highlighted. Take an extra second to make sure you haven't included a space or punctuation unless you want those bold as well. If you accidentally select too much, simply click again to deselect and try the drag one more time, keeping just the letters you want. With the word highlighted, look up to the toolbar at the top of Canva. Find the bold option, which is typically shown as a bold capital B. Click it once. Instantly, the selected word will switch to a heavier weight, making it pop against the surrounding text. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+B on your keyboard to apply bold. This shortcut works as a toggle, so pressing it again removes bold if you change your mind. If you press the shortcut and nothing happens, make sure the word is still highlighted and that your cursor is inside the text box. If the entire text becomes bold instead of just the word, it usually means the whole text box was selected. Click inside the text to place your cursor, drag to highlight only the word again, and apply bold once more. Repeat the same process for any other words you want to emphasize. Click inside the text, drag to highlight a single word, then use the bold button or the keyboard shortcut. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select your text, highlight a single word, and apply bold from the toolbar or with Ctrl+B. A few precise clicks can make your message clearer and more engaging.